Now, United Nations Secretary General Guterres has warned that global issues cannot be solved by one power, while citing the erosion of international law as well as cooperation. Guterres did not name any country, but his warning came just a week after US President Donald Trump launched the Board of Peace, initially designed to strengthen Gaza's fragile ceasefire, but now foresees taking a wider role, worrying other global powers as well.
Global problems will not be solved by one power calling the shots, nor will they be solved by two powers carving the world into rival spheres of influence. International law is trampled, cooperation is eroding, and multilateral institutions are under assault on many fronts.
Guterres spoke to reporters amid a cash crisis as the world body's largest contributor, the United States, has slashed voluntary funding to United Nations agencies. Trump has described the United Nations as full of great potential, but accused it of failing to support American-led peace efforts. Meanwhile, New Zealand has rejected an invitation to take part in Trump's Board of Peace, joining a small list of nations to turn down the very proposal. New Zealand's foreign minister has said that his country will not be joining the Board of Peace in its current form, adding that it will, however, continue to monitor developments at large. Wellington also did not reject the idea of the board entirely, but reiterated its commitment to the United Nations. While many countries have expressed misgivings, only a fraction of them, including France, Norway and Croatia, have explicitly declined invitations. Trump launched his Board of Peace initiative at the World Economic Forum in Davos last week and was joined on stage by leaders and officials from as many as 19 countries to sign its founding charter. Although originally meant to oversee the rebuilding of Gaza, the board's charter does not seem to limit its role in the Palestinian territory as a whole.